Damn. Hey, the Spanish logo. The logo coat of arms of Spain. Yup. The Santo Niño. 1561?
Video? O sige.
Ay, ako na mag...
Picturean kita dyan.
Oo, mamaya pag alis natin. I will.
Picture ako dito.
There you are. Video mo.
Military base man to, ma. Kaya when you say the word fort, ma, ano yan siya? Military base, such as, Fort San Pedro man to, no?
Paano ako mag-set sa
Yeah, military base to kasi it's Fort Santiago, man.
Turuan kita mamaya. So, ganyan so.
Yan, ma, oh. May mga kanyon gani.
picture?
Let's go.
May picture tayo, dali. So. Okay. Fort San Pedro.
Yeah, military base. Spanish era military base. Si Magellan. Of course, alam naman natin to. Mga ng Philippines. Si Legazpi. Oh, siya yung nagpasakop sa Philippines. Yeah, this is the military base itself. Excuse me. Built during the earlier years. 1920 pa?
Hello guys.
So, this was taken in 1920. Panahon na ng mga Amerikano.
Right, kuya? Did you
Oo.
picture our...
Oh, there's a cannon. There, an old gun.
Ano ma? Ma, ano ito? Yan. Yung mic.
Right.
Pero hindi yan mag-cut.
Oh, I don't know how to do that.
Right. Alright, let's see what's in the up. Let's see what's in the upside. Let's move. Wait lang. Oh, David na ba?
Pond?
Fish pond. Nice.
Fish pond!
Spanish build good.
Yeah, there's no fish.
Tingnan natin.
Wait.
Let's see. Let's go.
I'm scared, kuya.
Oh, this is the upper one.
After what?
Yun na yung taas.
What is that over there?
Ayan na.
What is that? Hey, cannibal!
Yes.
Meron hindi. Meron ah.
Yeah. Hey, touching a real one.
Turuan kita, Shane.
Right.
Doon.
Siguro dyan sa taas, nasira yan. Kaya hindi na-
Oh.
Ang taas, ma.
Nice.
Tsura kita dyan habang naglalakad. So.
Mm.
It's not a bee. It's like a bee.
Wasp. Bawal di lagi no na ano no? Di na pwedeng mapasukan.
Yeah, bawal.
Kay tagal siguro.
What is this? Seems like there's a door.
Mga doors na hindi na.
What is
Siguro mga ano yan, nalagyan ng mga gamit.
Yes.
Hey, open dito.
Right.
Oh, open dito. What is inside? Kuya, look.
Mm.
Inside of this one.
Look like an office.
Wow, flower. May flower.
Nice.
Doon, ma. Doon.
Ayan.
Ito tayo doon?
Viviente del Teniente. Wait. Ma. Ano? Sa office. Viviente del Teniente.
So, lieutenant.
Yeah. Lieutenant's office. Lieutenant's office. Viviente del Teniente. Or Teniente. I guess this is ito na yun. Let's go down. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Are you gonna send